On July 7, 2020, a 6.4 magnitude earthquake hit the beautiful city of Ojai, California. The shaking started around 8 a.m. and lasted for a few seconds. Residents of the area experienced moderate to severe intensity during this time. The epicenter of the earthquake was located 5 miles south of Ojai. The main shaking area included cities such as Ventura, Santa Paula, and Fillmore. The power outage was experienced for more than 1 hour. There was a water tanker disruption, thus causing a lot of commotion. Glass panes shattered and several vehicles were damaged due to the shaking. Schools and some businesses remained closed for a few days after the incident. A lot of people promised to help out the victims financially. Organizations pitched in to ensure that those affected received the necessary resources. Most of the households were without power for a few days. An elderly woman was hospitalized due to a fall as a result of the shaking. Multitudes of people were left without shelter and food as a result of the There were a lot of minor cracks and damages to homes and apartments. The infrastructure of the city suffered extensively and it was predicted to have Firefighters had to respond to several fires that occurred as a result of the A major gas line crack was witnessed, leading to a safety hazard. A lot of people living near the epicenter had to be evacuated. Several commercial establishments were seriously damaged during this time. A collapse of telephone poles was experienced to a certain extent. Roofs of some stores and other establishments were damaged. Residents of different neighborhoods located near foothills had to be relocated. Crews were sent to clear the roads and fix bridges so people could move. Thousands of people had to take shelter for days in a nearby